Now moving on to the series. I'm not going to give you where the formula comes from, just here's the formula. The sum of a geometric series is Sn, where n is the number of terms you want to add together, equals a1 times 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. The sum of the first 10 terms of this series. Well, the first thing we need to do is find r and a1. Well, r appears to be 1/2 because I can take the 2 divided by the 4 and get 1/2. And a1 is the first term, so it's 4. Fill that into our formula. N is 10. And fill it into the formula. This was the r, this was a1, that was n. Fill in the numbers, run it through your calculator, and you get 1023 over 128, or about 7.992. Find n such that Sn equals 31 over 4. Hey, it's the same series, so I know the r was 1/2, and I know a1 is 4. This time we're looking for n. Okay, this was Sn, so I filled it in for Sn. A1 was 4, r was 1/2. And we need to do some simplifying. So the first thing I did is I divided both sides by 4. And so my 31 over 4 became 31 over 16. The bottom, 1 minus 1/2 is 1/2. So next I'm going to multiply by 1/2. So it'll give me 31 over 32 equals 1 minus 1/2 to the n. Oh, probably subtract 1. So 1 minus 31 32s minus 1 would be negative 1 32s. Divide by the negative. Oh, wait, how do I get the n out of there? Logarithms. The base here of the n was 1/2, so I'm going to do the log 1/2 of both sides. On this side, it'll cancel out, so I just need to know that one. And so that becomes 5. 1/2 to the 5th power is 1 over 32. Or you can put in your calculator and you get 5. N is 5.